Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix please turn off USB storage and try again WhatsApp. If you encounter the please turn off USB storage and try again error in WhatsApp, there are a few quick steps to resolve it. First, check your USB settings. On older Android versions, make sure your device is unmounted as USB storage by going to Settings, Storage, and disabling USB mass storage. Newer Android versions use MTP, so confirm you're not in a storage sharing mode. Next, review WhatsApp permissions by navigating to the Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Permissions, and ensure storage access is enabled so the app can save media properly. Then verify that your device's internal storage has enough free space since WhatsApp relies on it to create folders and store files. If the issue persists, update your Android system to the latest version as some storage related bugs are resolved with OS updates. Following the steps should get WhatsApp working smoothly again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.